Hi there, students. A windfall, okay? A countable noun. This talks about money, yeah? This is money that you get unexpectedly, yeah? You didn't expect to get and it suddenly appears. So, for example, you could get a windfall from a lottery win. Yeah, he had a windfall of £5,000 from the lottery. Or maybe you get a windfall when a distant relative dies and you didn't really know this person, but you've been left some money by them. So this is an amount of money that you win or receive unexpectedly from somewhere, from someone. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, if you invest in shares, sometimes you get a windfall. Yeah, just money that you didn't expect to get. Yeah, money that you win or receive due to some circumstance. But notice, this windfall, it comes when not because of anything you've done, it just comes by luck or by from something that is unexpected. Okay, so a windfall. Let's see, the basic real meaning of this is fruit that falls from the tree. So I went to pick some apples, but they were too high up and I couldn't reach them. So I just picked up the windfalls that were on the ground. Windfalls particularly talk about apples, yeah? And they fall because they've been blown by the wind. Yeah, so you are effectively lucky to have them, yeah? And that is a windfall, yeah? An apple or other fruit that's blown down from a tree or a bush by the wind. Yeah, so it happens to come down. And then they use this in business, money that you get unexpectedly. Yeah, a bonanza, an unexpected gain. Yeah, something extra. Yeah, extra money, a jackpot if you like. Or manna from heaven, a pot of gold. Now, also, there's been quite a lot of talk recently about a windfall tax. Windfall taxes. And windfall taxes are normally extra taxes charged by a government, yeah, charged to a company when this company makes a very large unexpected profit. Yeah, especially when the company has been helped by economic conditions. Yeah, so the increase in the price of oil has been a windfall for many oil companies. And therefore the governments are talking about a windfall tax on energy companies because they're going to get a lot more money. And this is the idea of a windfall tax. Yeah, a tax that's levied because a company, people think, or the government thinks, that the company has made excessive profits. Very often they put windfall taxes on a company that is exploiting a monopoly, for example. Yeah, a privatized utility company that is using its position as a monopoly to get lots of money from people. Yeah, so the government placed a windfall tax on this. I get the feeling that energy companies are going to see more and more windfall taxes on windfall gains or windfall profits. So sudden extra profits that come from a sudden unexpected source. And then your windfall, fruit that's fallen naturally from a tree by the wind. So, formality, a windfall. I think I'm going to give it 5.5 in formality. Use it anywhere. Windfall's another good business word. And let's see, Middle English, we've got windfall, so it's certainly there. It comes from wind and to fall. Yeah. There's even a German word, windfall, middle high German, Windfall. So this is definitely some sort of Germanic thing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Windfall.